Hello everyone, this is Farouk. In this video we will be adding UPN suffix to our Active Directory domain. So I think, oh no, we need to go to domains and trusts and computers. So here if you go to properties, we'll be able to add UPN suffix. So what UPN suffix does is, let me show you here. If I try to create a new user, you can see here we have this UPN suffix that we added here. So how we do this is we go to Active Directory domains and trust, right click at the top, not here. If you click here, you'll get option to establish trusts with other Active Directory domains. You click here and properties and UPN suffixes, whatever you want to do, to mfsid.net, add, apply. So when we come in here, not here, and I try to create a new user, I should see this option here. So if you are using separate domain names like your Active Directories .local or something like that, and your actual email domain is something else and you want to sync, then you'll create UPN suffixes here so that it will match your external domain. So this is it. Thank you very much.